Hello, welcome to another vlog. Today we are at the bus stop in Bahir Dar. It's pretty crazy. And we're about to jump on the public bus and we're heading out to the Blue Nile Waterfalls to spend the night. So hopefully it will be really pretty and really awesome. We fit just.
How much space we have?
It's a bit tighter than we thought, but the bus is turning on. We're ready to go. The locals are super fascinated that we're actually on the bus.
They cannot believe we're here.
But it's a bit Tetris-y in
We
here.
have our big backpacks and small backpacks on our knees. And thanks God we're able to leave some things at the place we're shooting for, because it would be really tight.
So apparently this is supposed to take 1 hour according to Google Maps. So Ethiopian time that translates to 2.5 hours.
Let's see.
So we'll find out.
It's gonna be
I'll film a
fun.
little bit of the bus journey and see how it goes. But this will be fun. Awesome. Bye. Bus ride is done and we've just arrived in a town called Tissa Abai, where we bought our tickets for the waterfall, 50 birr each, which is pretty good because they're actually, prices are on the wall, so no Farangi rip-off prices, Habasha prices. And now we're just going to walk to the falls.
This Abai is the Ethiopian name of the Blue Nile Waterfalls.
Learn something new every day. Our short boat ride down the Blue Nile. Apparently it's 5 minutes. It's pretty.
Traditional.
I can hear the waterfalls. They're over there somewhere. Just arrived at the Blue Nile Falls. It is pretty spectacular. There's a huge rainbow going like across the middle of the falls up through there. It looks awesome. And such a cool place to visit in Ethiopia. So our tent is set up. The sun is right in my face behind the phone. Time to fly the drone over the waterfall. Yes! whoa, they were awesome. Actually, I don't know what they look like just yet. I'll have to wait till we get back to town to check out the footage, but it seemed awesome. What are you doing?
Just taking photos.
Of what?
Of the tent.
Why?
Because it's cool.
And we're camping on the side of a waterfall.
Oh yeah.
That one over the back
So
there.
if you just, our tent is here.
Yeah?
And then if you look at there, the waterfall is just there. Okay, follow me. Okay, slow. Check it out. Yeah.
Look at that bird. Crazy.
And now no people here.
So this
No
is
Ferrangis.
no Ferrangis here. So this is our little spot for tonight. It's pretty damn spectacular. Awesome. Good morning. It is about 6:30. I just gotten up. The sun is about to rise behind me, and the waterfall is going off its head behind me that way. So we're going to take some photos, fly the drone, and see what it looks like. But it's pretty spectacular. It's now 7:15. The sun still hasn't come up. We could have slept for another hour. But it's almost there. It looks cool. Hopefully it's here in 5 minutes. And there's been a dickhead behind me. Stop pretending to be nice. We should say something to all our 20 followers.
What?
Our 20 subscribers. Hi!
Thanks for the subs. Thank you.
This is natural avocado.
Show me how much ducky.
We have boobs, hoops, pod.
This is our campsite. The waterfall is just over the back there. We got our tent. There's like a hut with a nice bed inside. And then over here is the kitchen. And another little hut there. That's the communal sort of hut where we sat and ate our meals. And then down here, they are building 3 little sort of single rooms, and then a big house for the guy who manages the campsite. He's going to live there. And then the colourful one there is the drop toilet. It's gross, but a really, really pretty spot. And over here is the massive plantation of Chad. So yeah, this awesome bridge. It's a bit wobbly. It's cool. So we just finished our camping trip to the Blue Nile Falls. We're going to get nice and close to the water now and check it out for one last time before we start heading back to Bahir Dar. But Blue Nile Falls in Ethiopia,
Amazing.
highly recommended.